Right, Miguel's got his cedar stump that he found that somebody was throwing away, and we try to utilize all the cedar that we can find. Then he's got his 4 little branches. He's got his tools. He's got his screws. He's got his little feeders all fixed up with their little perch on them so the birds can swoop in and eat. And he's got perch goes all the way through. Got a hole on each side so they can eat on either side. All right, so he's gonna mount this up, and we won't make you be all bored and watch him do each and every screw. We'll come back and show you the finished project. Okay, Miguel's got his little feeders done. He's hanging the very last one. He put a little piece of tin on the top to kind of protect the wood. What you think, Miguel? Looks nice.
See, a lot of birds gonna come under here.
Well, you already got lots of birds on the other side of the yard. So, we gonna try this little project? All right, Miguel.
Thanks for watching. All right, my friends. We're bugging. Down here working this bird feeders. My wife do this, and I just screw the post. We got this little piece of tin left out what we built before, and this is a cedar log. I just screw it through this railroad ties on this raised bed. And screw these little logs, and you can see this is a peanut butter yards. I hope you like watching our videos. I hope I can encourage anyone to try a little different things. It really makes you feel better when you got an idea on your mind, or like me and my wife got an idea, and I got an idea, and 2 ideas you put it together and the end up is something nice. Well, thanks for watching our videos. Please like, share, and subscribe. God bless everyone you guys. Keep us in your prayers, and I hope to see you in the next video.